Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing a refurbished 11 Pro Max that I just purchased from apple.com. But before I do so, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So what we're gonna do in this video is 4 different things. We're gonna unbox it and see how it looks like, and then we're gonna try SIM card and make sure it's unlocked. Then I'm gonna show you how to determine if your iPhone is a new, refurbished, replacement, or personalized. And the last thing that we're gonna do is to check the battery life and make sure it's 100%. So let's go ahead and unbox it right now. I received the package from USPS today. Apple had the phone up for sale last week actually, for the first time. See the box, you see? This is how it looks like. Let's get it out. This is how you actually take the iPhone out of the box. As you can see, it says iPhone 11 Pro Max. It looks like it comes with a charger, like the old packaging, not the new packaging. So that's a good sign. So this is the box. This is how it looks like. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Right here. Let's throw this away. I got it for, actually I know someone who works there, so I got it for $722 plus taxes. It says Apple certified pre-owned. I'll leave the link down below. You can save money and get it from eBay for cheaper, but it's not gonna look like that. Look at this. It's literally brand new. It has no scratches, as I can see. 0 scratches, not even thumbprints or anything. Let's turn it on. It looks literally brand new. There's no scratches, nothing. You can't see anything here. So what they usually do is replace the outer casing, and they replace the battery as well to make sure it's brand new. So you can see it right here. These are my thumbprints actually, but look, this is the midnight green color. This one's 64 gigabyte, by the way. I got it for $729. I mean, if you know someone, you get it. If you know someone who works there, you get it for cheap. If you don't, it's gonna cost you $849. Just letting you know, it's not that cheap. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna insert the SIM card and make sure it's unlocked. I actually forgot to show you guys what's inside the box. So as you can see, there's an instruction manual here, ejector, and also you got a charger, like the good old days, 18-watt charger, as well as earpods, and USB-C to lightning cable. So Apple is not doing that anymore, but it looks like in refurbished phones they're still doing it. So anyways, let's go ahead. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna set it up later. Code, no code. Do not use code. And then I'm not gonna restore anything. And then here, set up later in setting. Okay, right now I'm gonna insert my SIM card. I have Cricket, as you guys can see, and make sure the phone is unlocked. So I have some connection here, so it looks like the iPhone is unlocked. So let's go set it up. This is the home page. Anyways, so right now I'm gonna show you how to determine if your iPhone is new, refurbished, or replaced, or personalized. And in order to do that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the setting, general, about, and the model number here. So if the model number starts with M, that means the phone is brand new. F, as you can see right here, that means the iPhone is refurbished. If it starts with N, that means the iPhone was replaced at an Apple store. Let's say you have an issue with your phone and you go to the Apple store, they replace it. That will start with N. Or sometimes the iPhone can start with P, which means personalized. So you might have engraven in the back or something. So that answered this question. So the last thing I'm going to show you guys is the battery. So the battery is at 100%. I know that for a fact, but people usually ask me this question. I have unboxed other refurbished iPhones from Apple before, and people just ask me this question. So what we're going to do is go to Setting, Battery, and then Battery Health. And as you can see, the battery is 100%. Apple has replaced the battery. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, just leave it down in the comment and I'll respond to it as soon as I can. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video, and I will see you guys in the next video.